If you're seeing Fortnite error code SU-PQE1223, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into the game as quickly as possible. This error usually points to a problem with permissions, missing files, or a Windows component that Fortnite depends on. The good news is that most players can fix it without doing anything too complicated. Before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe if this tutorial helps you out, because it really supports the channel and helps more players find the fix too. Now let's get started. The first thing you want to do is run the Epic Games launcher as an administrator. This is important because Fortnite and the launcher sometimes need elevated permission to access files properly, make changes, and complete updates without being blocked by Windows. To do this, close the launcher completely if it's already open. Then find the Epic Games launcher shortcut on your desktop or in your start menu. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Once the launcher opens, try starting Fortnite again and see if the error is gone. In many cases, just giving the launcher full permissions is enough to solve the issue right away. If that doesn't fix it, the next step is to update or reinstall the Visual C++ Redistributable. Fortnite depends on Microsoft Visual C++ files to run properly, and if those files are corrupted, outdated, or missing, the game can throw error codes like SU-PQE1223. To fix this, open your browser and search for the latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages from the official Microsoft website. You usually want both the x64 and x86 versions if they're available. Download the latest versions and install them. If they're already installed, you can also uninstall and reinstall them to make sure the files are clean and up to date. After that, restart your PC so the changes take effect, then launch Fortnite again and test it. Now let's move on to another very important fix. Verifying your game files. Sometimes the error happens because one or more Fortnite files are missing, damaged, or not installed correctly. Epic Games Launcher has a built-in repair tool for this. Open the launcher, go to your library, and find Fortnite. Click the three dots next to the game, then choose Manage or Verify, depending on the version of the launcher you're using. The launcher will scan your installation and automatically replace any broken or missing files. This can take a few minutes, so let it finish completely before doing anything else. Once the verification is done, restart the launcher and try opening Fortnite again. If you still get the error, the next thing to check is your Firewall or Antivirus software. Sometimes security software can mistakenly block Fortnite or the Epic Games launcher from connecting properly or accessing the files it needs. Open your antivirus settings and make sure Fortnite and Epic Games Launcher are allowed through. If you're using Windows Defender Firewall, search for Firewall and Network Protection, then open Allow an app through Firewall. Make sure Epic Games Launcher and Fortnite are listed and checked for both private and public networks if needed. If you have any third-party antivirus software, look for quarantine, blocked apps, or exception settings. You may need to temporarily disable the antivirus just to test whether it's the cause, but remember to turn it back on after testing. If the game works after changing those settings, then you've found the issue. At this point, if Fortnite still won't launch, I recommend restarting your computer one more time and trying the steps again in order. Sometimes Windows needs a clean reboot before the repairs fully apply. It's also a good idea to make sure Windows is fully updated, because system updates can fix compatibility problems that affect game launch errors. So, to quickly recap the main fixes, first, run Epic Games Launcher as administrator. Second, update or reinstall the Visual C++ Redistributable. Third, verify your Fortnite game files. And fourth, check your firewall or antivirus settings. Those are the most common solutions for SU-PQE1223, and they solve the problem for a lot of players. If one fix doesn't work, move to the next one until Fortnite launches normally again. If this video helped you fix the error, please hit the like button, subscribe for more gaming tutorials, and leave a comment letting me know which step worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.